Make money online free. The how to make money the online free platform. To make money online with affiliate marketing for free, you can follow this step. Number one, choose a niche selection, a niche that you are processing about or have knowledge. In this will make it easy for you to create the content and promote products related to that niche. Number two, the research affiliate program. Look for replicable affiliate program that offer products or service related to your choose niche. Some popular affiliate network include Amazon, Cisco, Clickbank, Share Sales, and Communication Junction. Number three, the build. Number two, the rich affiliate program. Look for replicable affiliate programs that offer products or service related to your chosen niche. Some popular affiliate network niche Amazon, exclusive, Clickbank, Share Sale, and Commission Junction CJ. Number three, build a website or blog. Create a website or blog who you can share able content related to your niche, how to HTML to design and use friendly website that will engage, visit and encourage them and explains further. Number four, create quality control. A regular publisher high quality content on your website or blog. This can include informative articles, products reviews, tutorial and guides. HTML can be used to format your content and make the visibly appearance. The drive and traffic to your website. Important various strategy to drive traffic to your website. This can include search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, guest posting, and another blogs and practicals in online communication related to your niche. Number six, the promote affiliate products. Once you have established a dense amount of traffic, your website state promoted affiliate products or service with your content. Use HTML interest affiliate your article, create eye-catching banner and broad the rates, etc. Number seven, build an email marketing or email list. Offer version valuable inactive search as a free ebook, exclusive content, extension email marketing, design valuable affairs. The mention performance and optimize keep take of your affiliate marketing evolved by analyzing data such as click through, conversion, and earning per click. Use the information to optimize your statistics and for promoting product that resell well with your audience. Number 9, stay update and learn. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic field, so it's critical to stay updated with last trend and trading join relevant forums, attract website and niche, earn that blogging and scale. The promotional earning for affiliate marketing very well dependent on your forces such as the niche you choose, a quality, contain insights, audience and commission, the $100 to $500 per month easily. However, with the commission and opportunity for this easy full email marketing. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. How to make money on affiliate marketing for free. Thank you. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel. I am the next videos lot of information the affiliate marketing, how to learn money for free affiliate marketing, what is the affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how can you start the affiliate marketing for free, how do it make money with affiliate marketing online, what is the best twisted and money online the affiliate marketing. There are way to make money on online marketing free. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel.